Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out a property that is located in San Juan, Cosala, just like the property that we checked out yesterday. This one's in a gated community just before you get to like the geothermal water spas and racket club and everything like that. This one is called Lago Encantado, and it's a nice quiet development. There's only about 15-20 homes in there, and it's very quiet, and every home has a lake view and a mountain view. So that's kind of nice. And then this house in particular is pretty special, I think. The Mirador is beautiful. The rest of the house it's kind of like a blank slate. It has a lot of potential, so you can add whatever you want to in there. And it's tucked in the corner. It's like the last house in the development. So there's a little bit more privacy to this home than there would be to the rest of them. So before we check this out, I need to let you know about our bed and breakfast and our cafe in Ajijic Centro. Both businesses won Best of Lake Chapala for the last 3 years. And the cafe is open 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. to the public every single day. And we have air conditioning. So if you need to escape the heat and you want a place to go besides your home to hang out, we have excellent Wi-Fi. Come to the cafe, hang out. The bed and breakfast, every room has AC, reverse osmosis water, streaming TVs, new mattresses, ensuite bathrooms, unique design. It comes with daily hot breakfast and daily housekeeping. So if you want fresh white towels every day, you can have it, okay? And to get more information on these businesses, you can visit my website, therealamandaturner.com, where you'll find a link to the bed and breakfast, to the cafe, and also to Lake Chapala's MLS if you would like to do some research on there. And just go straight on over to the contact form. If you have questions, fill that out. It goes straight to my email. You can also reserve a room there with us if you'd like to through there, or you can just go to our website. What else? I think that's it. All right, let's go check out this property. This home is listed for $365,000 US. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, and it's listed as 2 levels, but most of your living space is kind of on 1 level. You'll see that once we exit the kitchen here, we're going up a few stairs to get to the bedrooms. And then when you're outside, you have to go up a few stairs to get into the home. So I would really consider this 1 level, but you do have some stairs in certain areas, so that's why they're labeling it as 2 floors. Construction size is 210 square meters or 2,260 square feet. The lot size is 303 square meters or 3,265 square feet. The HOA is 1,900 pesos per month, so that comes out to about $100 per month. It does not come furnished, and it's located in Lago Encantado in San Juan, Cosala.
Ese lunar que tienes, cielito lindo junto a la boca, no se lo des a nadie, cielito lindo que a mí me toca. Ese lunar que tienes, cielito lindo junto a la boca, no se lo des a nadie, cielito lindo que a mí me toca. Ay, 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 ay,
All right, guys, the house that we are checking out today is located in Lago Encantado, which is actually this section of homes right here. Okay, this is the gate, this is the entrance to Lago Encantado. So the actual house that we're checking out today is located right here. And it also, I forgot about that, it has solar panels here too. So that's excellent. And then you've got a little bit of a lake view through the house as well. Like I said, this is a very small gated community. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 homes in here. Maybe there's 15. Maybe these are two different homes here, but I think it's one. I'm not sure. Anyway, so yeah, let's just call it 15 homes. And these are all available empty lots in Lago Encantado as well. They are currently in the process of subdividing these so that people can purchase them, and because this is one big lot owned by one family, so they just went through probate and everything. So now these are all going to start becoming developed. The only thing is that this area here, part of the bylaws says that you cannot build anything that will block the view of any of the homes here. So what they're thinking about, maybe putting like a clubhouse community center through here too, and maybe giving these properties the chance to expand their yards, like this one, and just sell like bigger lots, you know. All right, what else is around here? You are just before the Racket Club in San Juan Cosala. So if you wanted to go to the geothermal water spas that are scattered throughout this area, it would only be like a 5-minute drive to these places. And you've got a few down here in the town of San Juan Cosala, and then you have one up here that's absolutely stunning in the Racket Club. And there's a restaurant. There's a couple of them in here actually. You've got Chaclan Restaurant and La Vida Bella Spa and Restaurant here too. And these are hotels as well. So if you had someone come and visit, you could probably just have them stay over here somewhere, and it would be fantastic for them. They would love it. All right, you've got restaurants all throughout this area. This is like Restaurant Row right here. And then you've got a lot of other things going on in this direction of town as well. You've got a Pancho's right here that also has a restaurant. Pasta Treinta is really good. A lot of cool different places in here. And then you're kind of split between the municipalities of Chapala and Joco. So your emergency services, I guess, would just depend on where you called. We've got Bomberos, fire department right up here on the Libramiento. And then you've got San Antonio Hospital in here too, and they have ambulances that can come. And then Joco is here too, so they have emergency services as well. And then just to let you guys know, there is a bike path that goes from Chapala all the way to Joco. And this section of the bike path right here is my favorite. It's so beautiful through here. A lot of the homes are lakefront, so you're kind of like, you know, riding your bike on the lake, but it's not super developed, so traffic isn't crazy, and just the greenery is very nice through there. To get from this house to Montecosala Spa is 9 minutes. To get from this house to the Panchos is about 4 minutes. To get from this house to Joco Centro is 22 minutes. And to get from this house to Ajijic Centro is 13 minutes. 49-minute drive to Guadalajara International Airport. All right, everybody, that's it for today. If you'd like to see more properties in this price range, you can click right here. And if you want to subscribe to the channel, you can click right here. And I will see you guys mañana. Adios.
Morena,